For spherical components, what needs to be rebuilt? Is this a yearly service? The interval is going to depend on the use and the load that you put on it. What really wears out spherical bearings, and all bearings really, is load. And all bearings are rated for a certain amount of load. Lack of lubrication will destroy a bearing, but in this case, our sphericals are self-lubricated with Teflon liners. So, if you track the car a lot, I would say probably once a year. And by rebuilding, we're talking about replacing the rod ends or the spherical bearings, which slide into a sleeve typically and are held in with a circlip.
Yep.
It can also be affected by the weather if you're in an area with lots of dirt and kind of fine abrasive particulates that gets in the bearing and wears it out sooner too. So, but I would say if you drive the car a lot enthusiastically on the street or the track, I would say every 1 to 2 years is something you should probably budget for. We do have really good rebuild kits and support those components with rebuild kits.